Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 10. Congratulations. And last week you guys started confidence intervals in week 9. And I did stress like that, or if you look at my webinars, I do discuss the fact that you guys are going to do confidence intervals and hypothesis testing from weeks 9 through 9 through 15, 9 through 14. So you want to really try to understand the basics. So last week you kind of started confidence intervals and the pieces. This week you're going to start the pieces of hypothesis testing. And it does feel like there's a lot of pieces, but once you put it together, it's again, there's a repetition involved with it. So I really want you guys to get used to reading, reading a word problem, taking out the information, converting it into your variables. That will help understanding the difference between, a sample mean versus a population mean, or like a sample standard deviation versus a population standard deviation. Know the notation for it, the variables for that. Um, my dog just jumped on my lap. And, you know, try to understand the pieces, try to understand what the variables mean for the situations. So, like I said, there's going to be repetition. This week, you're going to see like the basics of hypothesis testing. You'll see like pieces, try to understand what the little pieces are, and then we'll put it all together. Look at this. Look at this. This little face. So good luck. I'm here for you. Try to approach it the way that I do. Look, my other dog's like, what about me? If you guys have dogs, you understand. So good luck. Reach out if you have questions. Stop it.